Assalamu alaikum, and a lovely morning again. And alhamdulillah, we are all again in front of each other in a very good health. And I hope you're all enjoying your day and lectures. A reminder for you, yes, that is to subscribe the channel, please, because as I remind you that we're all working very hard, all the teachers are working very hard. We are making very exciting videos for you to make the lectures interactive and colorful for you. So we are only asking for one small favor from you, and that is to, yes, that is only just a little favor to subscribe the channel and give the videos a thumbs up. Yes, give the videos a thumbs up. And though you care about your friends, then you should yes, you should share it with your friends. You know that. So you have to just click the button and click the thumbs up button as well. Okay. So right now we are in our literacy class, and our friend, our monkey friend, is with us as well. And we will be doing the counting today, the forward counting and the backward counting. Okay, so for that, I have taken this small board for you to write. Okay, so we did before the backward counting from 1 till 20, right? We did it from 1 till 20, and now we are going to do forward, forward, forward. Okay, so for that, we're going to write, right? We're going to start from number 20. Okay, so what comes after number 20? 21, right? And we are going to write 22, right? Then 23. Okay, so 24, 25, 26, right? Can you see? Oh, sorry. 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, so I hope we can go above 30 as well. So let me write that for you. I'll have to take another marker. 30, we did till 30, then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. Okay, we're going to do till 40 then. Oh, I wrote it. I only wrote 4 over here, otherwise I could have done that. Okay, no problem. So see, we have done the counting over here. So our Mr. Monkey is going to go and jump up till the end. He has to go up till the end, right? So we're going to help him from starting from 20. Why are you smiling, Mr. Monkey? Why are you so happy today? Oh, he said, I've shared the videos with my friend. I've subscribed the videos and I've shared them with my friends. I have given up the thumbs up for that. Oh, thank you. That's good. Okay, right now 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Wow. And comes 40. Okay. Now he has reached over here, still smiling, right? Because he's very happy. He has shared something very nice to his friends. Okay. So now, do you want to come back, Mr. Monkey? Oh, he wants to come back. Okay, now you come back the way you have gone there forward. Okay, now you have to come the same way backwards. Okay, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34. Then, no, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and back to 20. Yay, Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey is really happy because he's enjoying the lectures and he has subscribed the channel and he has given a big thumbs up to the videos and he has shared with his friends as well. So he says, I'm enjoying that. So that's why I'm doing all that. So you do the same. Okay. So he started from 20 and goes up to 39 and he is really happy. Okay. Now what we can do is we can just go to 40 and forward, okay? And then we will come backward, okay? I'm going to erase this all for you. And now we are going to write from 40, going forward, and then coming backward, okay? Right, so we are going to start again. Now we're going to start from 40, okay? Now we're going to write 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Okay, now 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Okay, now we have done it from 40 and went up till 60. We had another friend with us as well. I think he's hiding somewhere. A little mouse. Little mouse, where are you hiding? Oh, he's hiding somewhere. Okay, no problem. So monkey, would you be helping us? Okay, that's great. He's very helpful. So he's going to help us again, counting forwards and counting backwards. Okay, now 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Wow, up till 60. So, Mr. Monkey, you're still very happy. You're such a cute little friend. Do you want to come back? No? Please come back. Okay, so he has to come back the same way he went up to 60, following the backward counting as we did before, right? So we are going to follow the backward counting. Okay, so right, we're going to start from 60. Okay, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, and yay, 40. That is great. Miss Monkey, thanks a lot. You're such a great help and you're such a nice friend and you always help us. That's nice. So sweet of you. So our Mr. Monkey has helped us count forward from going from 40 till 60, and then he helped us counting backward that starts from 60 and went up till 40 over here, right? So we have done again practicing forward counting, and we have done practicing about backward counting as well, right? So we are going to practice that again and again, right? So you start counting forwards and backwards to practice that. So this was our numeracy class today, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class. And we're going to see each other soon, inshallah. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Till then, we see you, inshallah. We see each other. I'm going to say bye-bye and Allah Hafiz. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you soon.